Banu Qudsiyya writes in her books, "No one dies with someone and no one dies without someone. Only your mother feels the pain of your coming into the world. A less talkative boy and a more talkative girl make a perfect pair. Love is the story of the faithful, and a minor event in the life of the unfaithful. Don't get discouraged when you hear things against you. Noise is made by players, not spectators. Man never gets out of the grip of grief. Happiness is just a break from exhaustion. Believing in God sometimes gives you what you don't expect. Half of the sorrows of life are bought by a person, by placing false expectations on others. Stop being afraid of people. Respect is given by Allah, not people. If you want to learn something, learn to be silent. Otherwise words mean thousands. Those who move forward never remember those left behind. When good times begin to come to a person, even the outsiders seem to be theirs. Being alone is better than being in bad company. Success is the goal of those who trust Allah. Sometimes there is no reason, just like that. A person gets tangled in the wheel of life like a thread of silk. Life will always teach you lessons that are not covered in books. A man does not lower his gaze. A woman considers the veil to be ignorance, but both seek respect and honor. Many people will start to fear themselves if they see their character in the mirror. No matter how much love is tied to a relationship, if the respect and consideration goes away, the love also goes away. When people learn to write, they will write briefly, and when they learn to speak, they will often be silent. That will be the age of true peace and maturity. Every person, whether he is a man, a woman, or a woman, is a Lord from within, a little Lord. It is the desire of every Lord that someone comes into his life who does not associate anyone else with him. Never do bad things about the wedding meal. The daughter's father has spent his whole life just for this meal. A woman has a great strength of persistence. The only way to live peacefully in this world is that every person should have a large cemetery where they can bury their mistakes and shortcomings. Some people only have money. A certain time is fixed for every relationship and every love. If that time passes, that relationship and love ends. If a man wants to never leave a woman's heart, he should respect his wife in private and in front of the world. Unsolicited love tastes like spoiled wine. Don't get discouraged if people don't accept you, because people often leave things they can't value. Don't make yourself a prisoner of the past. It was a life lesson, not a lifelong sentence. If the memory of someone comes to your mind again and again, then understand that that person also remembers you, because it is a heart-to-heart relationship. A woman starts lying about her age when her face starts telling the truth. First find sweetness in your own heart. Then you will find sweetness in every heart. If there is a successful doctor in this world without a degree, it is a mother. If you do not find what you want, then look for what you have found. Allah listens to the stories of sorrows, and sorrows very attentively. He erases some sorrows. He also solves some confusions. But if all the sorrows are solved, then the conversation between Adam and him will stop. If there is no disease, why should anyone go to the doctor? If there is no dispute, what is the use of a lawyer? He himself sends trouble, and he himself becomes the mediator. If comfort is comfort in life, China is China. If someone knocks on his door, who should talk to him?